Okay, to get Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in 2025. Should you buy it? Honestly, actually, just no. For for if you can't uh, custom ROM these and unlock the bootloader, yes, for the international and Korean models, aka exynos NOS models that support custom ROMs, say Canada model Snapdragon, so you can't unlock the bootloader on these unless you do some sketch shit. And mine has went through some bad times. Look at these buttons, they are turning white, and look at that big split button missing. That's actually a plus, and that, and bam, 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 and the S Pen stuck on mine. The spring loading thing is broken. And look at these cracks. Holy levels of cracks. But it works. So this model has a Snapdragon 835 and the Exynos version has I forgot. Let me just search it up. This is actually pretty. Note 8 Exynos. It has a Exynos 895. And screen is a 1440p panel, and it has the main, and it has two cameras, main and the ultra wide. The camera quality is actually pretty decent, and the iris is like you're watching this through a burned in cracked screen on a phone camera. So it's decent. It records up to 4K 30, and it doesn't have the funny aperture things that was on the Note 9 and the S9, S9 Plus, and it has a heart rate monitoring sensor and a fingerprint scanner in a very awful place. Most people can't reach it, and it fails a lot. The, and the main thing issue with this is it's only got up to Android freaking 9. This phone was released in 2017. Yes, 2 years of support, then it died. Look, Android version 9, One UI version 1.0, security patch level. This is on 2020 patch. And and the Snapdragon model, as I mentioned, the in the Geekbench. This the actual phone is pretty snappy. You could enter. This shit's so fake. What the fuck was that post? A artificial dumbness art is fake art. I wouldn't call AR arts as real arts because it has no soul, it has no balls, it has no nothing. It's like saying it's like microwaving a meal, then saying to yourself, I made goddamn fucking Gordon Ramsay. Like, let's not get off track. And CPU benchmark. Let me just do a quick Geekbench right about now. Here are the scores. 390 single score and 1429 multi-core score. Baddish, but it can do the normal tasks without. Now let's talk about build quality. Build quality. Yeah, build quality. The power button actuator is shit on these. This one just fell off. Glass back sandwich. Here's a spare back panel. Show you how this is a clean surface. That's actually resisted pretty long. Now this. Okay, the back panel can crack. Glass of glass. It scratches at level 6 and degrooves at level 7. And from those light taps, those love taps, it became this. It's Gorilla Glass fucking 5. And it comes in that black, this blue, and a pink color, like port. Both are cracked. No empathy. Say strong. Holy shit, this shit's surviving this shit. Do a this. Let me just do a this. Holy shit. How strong are these? This shit's sick. This shit is going to save Narwin. Ass back fucking. What the fuck? What the fuck is this shit? What the fuck is this shit? I gave up. The black wins. I mean, it's durable. But it can crack by that. But holy shit. And it has 6 gigs of RAM and 64 base and 128 and I think 256 and it has micro SD card expansion slot and a micro SD card slot and those in the international models and a 60Hz 14.V panel and Gorilla Glass 5 and the iris sensor that is a mid like what I do and today's video and it has a headphone jack and a Type-C port and today's video is gonna end like this.